Hey guys, Chris from Flow Bracket. Now, AMG GT63 comes with a big ugly box like that. I'm gonna go show you how to get rid of it at home. Let's go. First step is to take everything off the car, frame, plate, and also the box. Now with the box removed, you'll see the traditional 4 mounting points on a Mercedes-Benz. Now, our mounting brackets will line up with those 4 holes. So be it a European plate, so you can see the 4 holes there. Standard also lines up. And with the slimline, grab the adapter and that will line up as well. So all you gotta do is get the bracket, get the bracket, put the screws in, your plate goes on and you're done. Have it, box removed, nice clean finish. Your plates are now displayed beautifully and it's something you can do at home in 15 minutes. I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.